Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to my channel Ethical Hacking Tutorial Part 4. Today I will show you how to configure network in Kali Linux. It is so easy process to you. Let's start. At first, right top side, click System Setting. Click Network Setting. You can show where it is connected. Click Option and then click IPv4 setting. This is my previous configuration. Delete my previous configuration and add new IP address 192.168.0.115, netmask 24, gateway 192.168.0.1 and then save. Close the interface. Open terminal. You can check, type ipconfig, but no change my previous configuration. You assign new IP address, must be reboot your system. Reboot complete, then login, username root, then password. Open terminal and type ipconfig, hit enter. You can see this new IP address 192.168.0.115. Now I can check your ping command, ping 192.168.0.115. You can see this ping reply. Again ping my gateway 192.168.0.1. Again ping check DNS 8.8.8.8. So everything is okay. Now I can check from browser. Not access goal. Now I can check others configuration. Type Leptop /etc/ network manager /network.conf. Hit enter. This is network manager.conf page. You can type false, true. You can type manage equal true. Then type service network manager restart. Okay, connection established. Now again you can check. Type www.google.com. Now I can access internet. Now I go to browse YouTube. Type network technologies. This is my YouTube channel name. Okay guys, thank you so much.